Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth and prosperity into their lives? What if I told you that ancient Chinese traditions hold the key to unlocking financial success? Today on No Money, we're diving into the fascinating world of feng shui and Chinese money secrets that can transform your financial future. By the end of this video, you'll discover 7 powerful techniques that can help you organize your financial life, harness positive energy, and pave the way to riches. Ready to unlock these ancient secrets? Let's get started. Number 1. Clear the clutter. Imagine walking into a room filled with scattered papers, unopened bills, and random clutter. It's overwhelming, right? Just as you would declutter your home to allow for positive energy, it's crucial to declutter your financial life. Organize your bills, statements, and financial paperwork. A clear financial path enables better decision-making and attracts prosperity. Digitizing your paperwork can keep your financial life streamlined and accessible, making it easier to manage and less stressful. By removing unnecessary clutter, you create a space that fosters clarity and focus, allowing you to make better financial decisions. This practice not only improves your physical environment, but also your mental state, reducing stress and increasing productivity. Clear the clutter and watch as your financial life becomes more organized and prosperous. Number 2, enhance the wealth corner.
Now, an important thing to note is that you don't want to airtight the glass like this. But if you notice, there's a little air hole in the top. So this still technically works. Jar of water and then poke some hole at the top to let it breathe. So breathable is the key to this set. What I recommend is just open it up. It's also refreshing. Let it out in the open. It doesn't matter if it starts drying up, just refill it as it dries up. So in general, water sets are great for boosting wealth, except when you have a bathroom in the same sector. Because remember what I said about flushing toilet? Adding water into it actually makes it worse. You actually lose money faster by putting a glass of water or other water feature in the bathroom.
In traditional feng shui, the back left corner of any space, as you stand looking inward from the entrance, is known as the wealth area. This corner holds the potential to boost your financial prospects when properly energized. Enhance this space with symbols of prosperity, such as a bowl of coins, a flourishing plant, or a crystal that represents wealth. If this is your office space, placing awards or recognitions in this corner can amplify the positive energy and reinforce your achievements. Additionally, consider adding elements like a small water feature or a vibrant piece of artwork that symbolizes abundance. These items serve as constant reminders of your financial goals and aspirations, helping to keep your focus sharp. By thoughtfully arranging the wealth corner, you create a dedicated space that continually attracts positive energy and financial success. This simple yet effective feng shui practice can have a significant impact on your overall prosperity, making your financial dreams more attainable. Number 3, water element for flow. Water represents wealth in feng shui, symbolizing the flow of money and opportunities. Introducing water elements like a small fountain or an aquarium in the north area of your home or office can symbolize the flow of wealth. The movement and purity of water are believed to bring continuous financial gains. Ensure the water is always clean and flowing to maintain a positive and prosperous energy. This simple yet powerful element can significantly impact your financial well-being. The calming presence of water not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also promotes a sense of tranquility and abundance. Incorporate water elements to invite a steady flow of wealth into your life. Number 4, use purple and gold. Colors have a profound effect on our emotions and energy. In Chinese culture, purple and gold are traditionally associated with wealth and royalty. Incorporate these colors into your home or workspace to attract financial prosperity. You don't have to overhaul your entire decor. Even small accessories like a purple cushion or a gold frame can channel the right energy. These colors can subtly influence your mindset towards wealth and success. By integrating purple and gold into your environment, you create a visual reminder of your financial goals and aspirations. These colors can inspire confidence and attract the energy of abundance, helping you to achieve greater financial success. Number 5, Koifish symbolism.
Koifish meaning and symbolism in Feng Shui and Koifish tattoos. Koi is the Japanese word for carp, a brightly colored type of freshwater fish commonly used in Asian landscape and design, including Chinese Feng Shui. Koi is a homophone for another word that means affection or love in Japanese. Koi are symbols of love and friendship in Japan among many other symbols. Koi fish are capable of adapting to many different climates and water conditions and can symbolize strength. In Japan, the koi fish or koi carp fish symbolizes luck, prosperity, good fortune, strength, and perseverance in the face of adversity.
Koi fish hold a special place in Feng Shui, symbolizing abundance, wealth, and perseverance. These vibrant creatures are believed to bring good fortune and prosperity to any space they inhabit. Introducing imagery or statues of koi fish into your home or office can help attract these positive energies. A particularly auspicious arrangement is a painting or decoration featuring 8 golden koi and 1 black koi. The golden koi represent wealth and success, while the black koi signifies resilience and the ability to overcome obstacles. This combination is thought to bring a balanced flow of prosperity and protection against bad luck. Whether you choose a decorative piece, a small statue, or even a live fish tank, the presence of koi can serve as a powerful reminder of your financial aspirations. Their continuous swimming motion is also symbolic of the constant flow of positive energy, encouraging you to keep moving forward toward your financial goals. Incorporate koi symbolism into your space and watch as it transforms your financial outlook. Number 6. Healthy green plants. In Feng Shui, plants are more than just decorative elements. They are potent symbols of growth, vitality, and prosperity. Healthy green plants in your home or office can significantly enhance the positive energy and attract wealth. The key is to choose robust, thriving plants and place them strategically, especially in the wealth corner of your space. Avoid plants with thorns or sharp leaves, as these can repel good energy. Instead, opt for plants like jade, money plants, or bamboo, which are highly regarded in Feng Shui for their fortune-attracting properties. Bamboo, in particular, is a popular choice due to its reputation for bringing good luck and financial prosperity. Not only do these plants beautify your environment, but they also promote a sense of well-being and balance. Regularly care for your plants to ensure they remain healthy, as neglected or dying plants can have the opposite effect, draining the space of positive energy. Embrace the natural power of green plants and cultivate a thriving atmosphere that supports your financial success. Number 7. Mind your entrances.
The way your front door looks, the size, the shape, the surroundings, everything influences the quality of chi that enters your home. A beautiful home is really a magnet for money, wealth, and prosperity. You want to check to see that the paint is in good shape, there's no wear, there's no tear, there's no chips, there's no peeling. You want to double check that your porch is swept clean. Do you have any outdoor plants that are surrounding your front entry door? Are they lush, vibrant, and healthy? Let's check the lighting around your front door. Are the bulbs bright? Is the fixture clean? You want to make sure that the encasement is dust-free and the glass looks sparkling clean. Is the doormat in good shape? Does it need a good cleaning? You also want to make sure that there's no visible trash can or container close by that you throw your garbage in.
The main entrance to your home or office plays a crucial role in Feng Shui, as it is the primary gateway for energy to enter. To attract positive energy and financial opportunities, ensure your entrance is inviting, well-lit, and free of clutter. A clean and clear entrance allows for the smooth flow of beneficial energy, setting the tone for the rest of your space. Regularly check for and repair any faulty locks, hinges, or stuck doors, as these can symbolize and cause blockages in your life. Additionally, consider adding elements that invite positive energy, such as a welcoming doormat, plants, or a decorative piece that symbolizes abundance. The color and cleanliness of your entrance also matter. Keep it tidy and aesthetically pleasing to enhance its appeal. By mindfully maintaining your entrances, you create a harmonious environment that not only welcomes guests, but also attracts prosperity and success. This simple yet effective Feng Shui practice can have a profound impact on your overall financial well-being. While the tenets of Feng Shui are deeply rooted in ancient traditions, their underlying essence is about balance, harmony, and mindfulness. By incorporating these 7 powerful techniques, you can align your environment with your financial goals, paving the way for a prosperous and successful life. Remember, The journey to wealth is as much about mindset and environment as it is about hard work and strategy. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel No Money for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.